Hello everyone, this is Teacher Juvie and I will be your guide for today's lesson.
Divisible by 2. So, i-check natin. Next, so, kanina na-discuss natin yung divisibility rule for 3. So, paano natin masasabi na ang number ay divisible by 3? Ito ay kapag inad natin ang lahat ng mga digits. So, 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 5 plus 4, that is 24. And, ang 24 ay also divisible by 3. So, the answer is 8. So, therefore, ang 15,954 is also divisible by 3. So, since check siya sa dalawang number, therefore, divisible ang number na to by 6. Okay, so next naman is divisibility rule for 9. So, how can we say that a number is divisible by 9? If the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. So, similar siya doon sa divisibility rule for 3. So, we also have to add all the digits of the number. Okay, for example, ang 378. So, i-add natin lahat ng kanyang digits. So, 3 plus 7 plus 8, that is 18. And 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, ang 378 ay divisible by 9. Okay, another example. 47,619. So, this is bigger number. So, we add all the digits. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 1 plus 9, that is 27. And 27 can be divided by 9. Therefore, ang 47,619 is divisible by 9. Okay, so let us apply the divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9 to this problem. So let us read the problem. A carpenter has 2 pieces of wood which are 18 decimeter and 27 decimeter long respectively, cut into equal lengths. What are the possible lengths of each pieces of wood? So we are looking for the equal lengths or the possible length of each pieces of wood. So this is the solution. To find the possible lengths of each piece of wood, we have to use the divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9. So, the given numbers in the problem are 18 and 27. So, i-check natin yung divisibility ng 18 and 27. So, let's have 18. So, 18 is divisible by 3 kung ang mga digits ay ating i-add at ang nakuha nating sum ay divisible by 3. So, 1 plus 8 is 9, and 9 can be divided by 3, which is the answer is 3. Therefore, ang 18 ay divisible by 3. Next, ang 18 is divisible by 6 kapag siya ay divisible by 2 and 3. So, ang 18 ends in even number. So, this is divisible by 2. And kanina, na-check natin na divisible ang 18 ng 3. So, therefore, divisible ang 18 by 6. Next, ang 18 ay divisible by 9 kapag in-add natin ang mga digits. So, add natin yung mga digits ng 18. 1 plus 8 is 9, and ang 9 ay divisible by 9. Therefore, ang 18 ay divisible by 9. So, 18 is divisible by 3, 6, and 9. Next, 27. So, again, let's apply the divisibility rules for 3. We add all the digits, and if the sum of the digits ay divisible by 3, that is divisible by 3, or the number is divisible by 3. So, 2 plus 7 is 9. Then, we divide it by 3, and we will get 3. So, therefore, ang 27 ay divisible by 3. Next, divisible ba ang 27 ng 6? Let's see. So, ang 27 ends in 7, and 7 is an odd number. Dapat divisible ang number by 6 kapag siya ay divisible by 2 and 3, di ba? So, hindi na divisible ang 27 by 2. Kaya, ang 27 is not divisible by 6. Because 7 is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2, but divisible siya by 3. Next, 27 is divisible by 9. I-add natin ang mga digits ng 27. So, 2 plus 7 is 9, and the sum is 9. So, i-divide natin ang sum sa 9. So, we will get 1. Therefore, ang 27 is divisible by 9. So, dun sa ginawa nating divisibility test for 18 and 27, so nakita natin na ang 18 and 27 are both divisible by 3 and 9. So, yun yung tinatawag nating common factors. So, ang common factors ng 18 and 27 ay 3 and 9. Kasi kapag dinivide natin ang 18 decimeter by 3, we will get 6 decimeter. And ang 18 divide natin sa 9, we will get 2 decimeter. While ang 27 divide natin sa 3, we will get 9 decimeter. And 27 divided by 9, so we will get 3 decimeter. So therefore, the possible lengths of each piece of wood are 2 decimeter, 3 decimeter, 6 decimeter, and 9 decimeter. So this is the answer to the problem. Let's try this activity. Find the common factors of the following using divisibility rule for 3, 6, and 9. So, we have 15 and 54. So, paano natin kunin yung common factors ng 15 and 54? Okay, step 1, find the divisibility of 15. So, i-check natin kung saan bang number divisible itong 15. So, 15 is divisible by 3. Dahil kapag in-add natin yung mga digits ng 15, we will get 6. And 6 is divisible by 3. Then, next step, we have to find the divisibility of 54. So, 54 is divisible by 3, 6, and 9. So, 54 is divisible by 3 dahil kapag in-add natin yung 5, plus 4, so we will get 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. Divisible ang 54 by 6 dahil ito ay divisible by 2 and 3. So, ang 54 ay nagtatapos sa even number. So, divisible siya ng 2 and 3, therefore, divisible ang 54 by 6. Then, divisible ang 54 by 9 dahil pag inad natin yung mga digits ng 54, 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 is divisible by 9, therefore 54 is divisible by 9. So, ang common factors nila ay 3. Okay? Ang common factors ng 15 and 54 ay 3 because they both divisible by 3.
Thanks for watching this video. Hit like if you learned from this video and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much.